The next thing we'll look at is how to find the equation of the right bisector of a line segment. So a right bisector of a line segment is a line that goes through the midpoint of a line segment and is perpendicular to the line segment. So we always start off these questions by labeling our 2 points. We'll call this one x1 and y1, and this one x2 and y2. The first thing we'll look at is finding the midpoint of this line segment. So our midpoint is equal to, we add up the x values over 2, we add up the y values over 2. So that means that our midpoint here is going to be 8, 3. The next thing we look at is the slope of the line segment. The slope is going to be the difference between the y's over the difference between the x's. It's rise over run. So that is going to be 1 minus 5 over 13 minus 3. And that means that our slope is going to be negative 4 over 10. And we can reduce that down further to negative 2 over 5. You always want to put this in lowest terms. So our slope is negative 2 over 5. Now, when we look at the slope of the right bisector, it's perpendicular to our line. So we take this, the slope here of our line segment, and negative reciprocal, like it means that you flip it over and you change the sign. So the slope of the line segment is negative, which means the slope of the line perpendicular to it will be positive, and we flip these over. So negative 2 over 5 becomes positive 5 over 2. Flip it, change the sign. And now we take this and we put it all together. We come up with the equation. Now the equation of our line in slope y-intercept form is y equals the slope, so 5 over 2x, plus the y-intercept. And we don't know the y-intercept, so we just put a b there for it. And the way we're going to find out this unknown b here is we sub in a point that we know is on this line. And our point that we know is on the line is this midpoint here. It has an x of 8 and a y of 3. So we're going to take that and sub those values in. So 3 for the y and 8 for the x. And now we have an equation with only one unknown in it, the b. So we take this and we unravel it to isolate that b. So 5 over 2 times 8 is going to be 20. We subtract 20 from both sides, and we get that our b value is negative 17. So we can rewrite our equation, y equals 5 over 2x, and now we know the value of our y-intercept, and that is the equation of the right bisector.